My name is Sumit Kapte and I'm responsible for the global business development of factory automation segment. Allow me to give you an overview of the robotics demonstration at our booth at Hanover Messe 24. Robots equipped with pneumatic solutions are revolutionizing paint applications. Yet manufacturers face significant challenges. Millions of dollars are lost on paint sludge treatment, which is caused due to the paint overspray. Just to give you an example, each car produces 3 to 5 kilos of paint sludge waste, and roughly 3 million cars are produced each year in Germany alone. That brings us to a cost of around $4 million for paint sludge management. Manufacturers can address this in a few ways. Firstly, improve the reaction time of their proportional valves for any flow or pressure changes in the atomizers. Second, by improving the reaction time, they can increase the consistency in paint spray, which minimizes the raw material consumption. Additionally, by monitoring or acquiring the data, they can proactively manage their equipment for maximum efficiency. Our floor-to-cloud solutions, including proportional regulators, valve terminals, filter regulators with dew point sensors, edge devices, and softwares, can help you achieve the efficiency and productivity required to enhance your plant operations. The secret to perfect paint finish lies in the precision of the pneumatic spray nozzles. Pneumatic spray nozzles are highly efficient, reducing overspray and minimizing paint wastage. But the backbone of the system is the proportional regulator that reacts in split seconds to constantly changing flow requirements. Our Aventix ED07 regulator is equipped for exactly such high-performance applications, and it has the quickest response time in the market, which is below 80 milliseconds. For a flow or a pressure change. It has a self-control adaptation technology which helps atomizers reach to the target flow in lowest time frame possible. It is highly dynamic valve with double solenoid direct acting valve. Even for medium performance requirements, we have other variants of proportional valves like ED05, which has a flow rate of up to 1,000 liters per minute and is also highly precise in operations. Our complete pneumatic portfolio saves you time and effort for procurement. We have a consolidated package of products which are pre-configured, like this plug-and-play panel, for highest performance in paint applications. Our AV03 valve terminals is very lightweight and can have integrated proportional regulator inside the valve terminals. And it has long life cycles of up to 140 million cycles, which reduces your total cost of ownership. It's also available with integrated IO-Link connectivity. For paint applications, it is very important to know the factors like temperature of the compressed air, pressure, and volumetric flow rate. Our AF2 sensor can help you analyze the factors, and it can make the compressed air more efficient in operations. Apart from this, we have a customized solution with integrated dew point sensor, which can monitor the compressed air humidity that directly affects the quality of the paint. This combination of solution is engineered to deliver the best performance in compressed air. Also, our integrated compressed air manager can help you reduce the usage of compressed air by almost 30%. Our solution features integrated sensors with proportional valves to optimize the compressed air usage in the duration of the color change during the paint process, as well as on the standby mode where compressed air flows continuously to keep the atomizer belt clear. With a wide range of controls and software elements like our edge devices as well as our Movicon software, which works with all PLC servers based on HTML5 and SVG technology, we can support you in building a complete automation solutions for your end customers. Like paint spraying, our solutions can optimize compressed airflow for powder coating applications. Powder coating, known for its durability and eco-friendliness, finds widespread applications still across industries like automotive and appliance manufacturing. Precision in managing compressed airflow is pivotal for achieving uniform coating and minimizing material wastage. An example of this is our collaboration with Samis Kremlin, who partnered with us to devise a valve block solution utilizing ASCO's 202 Preci-Flow proportional valves and Aventix manual regulators. This solution enhanced the coating uniformity and transfer efficiency while curbing overspray and material loss. This solution delivers heightened response sensitivity and minimal hysteresis, ensuring precise control over powder flow. Extensive testing validates the efficacy of the valve block developed by Emerson, meeting all the performance benchmarks and yielding heightened productivity and diminished waste for end users. Through collaboration with Emerson, Samis Kremlin gives a competitive edge in powder coating solutions, offering heightened performance and sustainability to the clientele. Please visit our webpage to learn more about our flow to cloud solutions for the robotics industry. Thank you very much.